Transferring money from savings to checking in a regional bank is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, log in to Regions Online Banking. Then select Transfers from the main menu. Now choose Internal Transfer from the transfer options. And then select the savings account you want to transfer from. After that, select the checking account you want to transfer to. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Now, review the transfer details and click Submit to complete the transfer. For using mobile banking, open the Regions mobile banking application. Then, sign in to your account. And tap on Transfers in the main menu. Now select Make a Transfer to set up a transfer between accounts. After that, choose Transfer from Savings and select the savings account you want to transfer from. And choose Transfer to Checking and select the checking account you want to transfer to. Now enter the amount you want to transfer. Review the transfer details and tap on Submit to complete the transfer.